Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the name of your Apple TV. First thing you're going to want to do is grab your remote control here. And then you're going to want to go down to where that gear icon is. Right there where it says settings. Find that gear icon. You're going to click on that. It'll take you to this message or to this page here. You're going to go ahead and click on general. And then right there where it says about, you'll click on that. And right there where it says name, right now mine says bedroom, so I'm going to go ahead and click on name and then go ahead and change that to whatever you want it to be. Okay, I went ahead and changed mine to office because this is where it's at. After you change it, you'll just go down and hit done and then it'll save it. And that's how you change the name of your Apple TV.